Welcome to our exploration of the Chinese concept of qi. Today we'll delve into understanding and working with qi, essential for Tai Chi and Qigong practice. Let's start by clarifying what qi is not. Qi is not magic or a mystical force. It's not a tangible substance within us. While often translated as energy, qi is better understood as an energetic wave. To truly work with qi, one must feel it, akin to surfing an ocean wave. Practices like Tai Chi and Qigong help in sensing and harnessing this wave-like energy. Proper execution of Tai Chi and Qigong exercises is vital for health. Efficient Qi flow promotes well-being, requiring smooth, relaxed movements and natural patterns like spirals. Working with Qi involves more than passive allowance. Techniques like brush knee and push help in feeling and building Qi. Understanding meridian flows enhances specificity in practice. Beyond health, Qi work connects to spirituality. Taoist and Neo-Confucian philosophies guide us in clarifying Qi to connect with things transcendent. Clarifying Qi involves harmonizing Li and Qi by leading a balanced life and proper Qigong. Qi clarifies by aligning with the universal principles Li, found in nature, spirals, and waves. In conclusion, working with Qi encompasses health, harmony, and spirituality. By practicing Tai Chi and Qigong, we can connect these three aspects of our life.